beat ain't normal.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I blend my natural hair with these kind of clip-ins. Guys, this hair is like, you know, I'm just going to save it to the end of the video. I will save it all my talk. I'm going to save it to the end of the video, but just so you know, this hair is worth it. Like, it is worth it. Anyways, all the details will be in the description box below. Stay tuned to the end of the video to know more about this hair, and I'll see you guys in the video, I guess. Bye. Okay guys, so this hair was sent to me by a company called CurlsCurls. I was sent the Afro Kinky clip-ins. These clip-ins will work for people that have 4B or 4C hair. I have the natural color and I got the 18 inches. I also got the 2 sets of the normal bundle, which has 6 wefts in each bundle. So I have a total of 12 wefts. You can also get the thick bundle, which has 10 wefts in it. But that one will not be as full as this, because as I said earlier, this one has a total of 12 wefts, and if you're going to get the thick bundle, it has just 10 wefts. So first of all, you want to go ahead and co-wash the hair, of course. So I'm just using my conditioner, and I'm just going to make sure that this hair is completely detangled. It's curly hair, so it's going to shed a bit, but the shedding wasn't too crazy, so I'm good with that. This is how much hair I lost when I was combing through the hair. So after the conditioner has sat on the hair for a little bit, you just want to go ahead and rinse it off. So now we're going to start installing the hair, and this is basically my braiding pattern. I just have like big chunky braids at the back of my head, and I left some of my hair out in the front. When the hair is wet, it tends to be more curly, but the moment it dries, it becomes more like your natural 4B, 4C hair, okay? So the first time I recorded this video, I tried to curl my natural hair to match the clip-ins because I thought that that would work, but it did not turn out nice. Like, my hair was a bit too curly for the clip-ins. So if you have 4C hair, do not try to curl your hair to blend with this clip-ins, because it's better without it being curled, okay? So I'm basically just going to show you guys how I actually refresh it every day and how you should blend your natural hair with this clip-ins. So usually I sleep in a bonnet like this, and usually when I wake up, this is what my hair looks like in the morning. I know it looks crazy, but I'm going to show you guys how I refresh it every morning, because I just feel like, as I said earlier, this is what some people might struggle with. So as you can see, my natural hair is out here. It's basically right here. I'm gonna just, you know, undo it so I'll show you guys how to properly blend your natural hair with this. So this is my natural hair left out right here. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but I hope you can. And I literally did not do anything to my natural hair. I just washed it, blow dried it, and I just put some like hair cream or moisturizer, I don't even know, but just some kind of cream on my hair. I did not try to curl it. It's just, this is the natural state. So because this hair is a kinky clip-in, it tends to become really hard when it is dry, which is basically what our natural hair really does look like, 4C girls. So the shape can tend to look weird. So what I first do is I take my spray bottle and I just put a little bit of water, because if you put too much water, then it tends to start getting really soft and too curly, and I just don't like that look for the look I'm going for right now. That's not the look I'm going for. Okay, so basically I'm taking my spray bottle with just water inside, and this is just going to help me shape the hair a lot easier. You can do it without water, but I want to use water today. So this is just going to help me manage the hair better. So I'm just going to keep fluffing it out till I like the shape. So now that I am done fluffing out the clip-ins, I'm going to go ahead and try to blend my natural hair with the clip-ins. My hair is kind of a different color. I feel like my hair is a bit darker than the clip-ins. I don't know, one is darker than the other. They're not just the same color, right? So, but I mean, it really doesn't matter because the colors are pretty close. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, like I want a part, so I'm going to go ahead and create my part. Now that I've created my part, the next thing I'm going to do is literally just take this comb and comb my hair onto the clip-ins, and that is the best way that I've found so far to blend this kind of hair texture with my natural hair. It kind of just works. So I literally just comb till they blend. So this is what I have so far. As you can see, it blends really well, but I'm not done. I'm still going to go ahead and try to make it look a lot better. But just literally just combing it on like that already makes it look natural. This is, I mean, we 40 girls, our hair is not going to be like slick on top. That's not the kind of look I'm going for. I want it to look as natural as possible, which means the parting is also going to look a little bit poofy because that's how it naturally is. Next thing I'm going to go ahead is try to just make my edges look a little more just better. Sincerely, this is what I do every time. I literally just brush my edges to the back like that and I'm good to go. But just for the sake of this video, I am going to actually try to slick some part of my edges down. So I'm taking this edge control that literally doesn't work, but I'm using that today, and I'm just going to put that just right at the front. Gonna brush that back. So this is not really doing anything spectacular, it's just making it look smoother, right? So yes guys, that's pretty much all that I did for this look. This is like cute. Like this is like wow. I really like this hair so much. I'm going to let you guys know my final thoughts about this hair because I've been wearing this hair for like a couple of days now. It's not been up to a week, but it's been a couple of days. So I've noticed some kind of things that I feel like I should mention. So let's get started. So first things first, does this hair shed? Of course it sheds. It's curly hair. Curly hair always sheds. But the shedding isn't crazy. The only time I really saw shedding was when I was co-washing it, and that's because I was constantly combing it, right? So obviously it's going to shed. With the way I've been refreshing my hair for the past few days, I haven't been combing through the clip-ins, so I haven't experienced any shedding. I feel like when I finally wash it, I'm obviously going to experience some shedding, but it's not going to be that crazy. It's curly hair. Even your hair sheds. Guys, calm down. It's not that deep, okay? The shedding is not bad. Basically, that's the bottom line of what I'm saying. How does it feel? Is it soft? Is it hard? This hair feels just like your 4C hair, like your 4C hair. When your hair is wet, it feels manageable, right? But the moment it gets dry, it's just really like together. It's just really like, yeah, like we like we're together. We're not going anywhere. It's just very, what's the word? Dense. Let me put it that way. It gets really dense the moment it's dry, and there's no way a comb is gonna go through it if it's not wet. That's just what I'm saying, okay? It acts just like your natural hair. That's what you should expect. These clip-ins are really full. Wow, like I've ordered clip-ins before, but these ones are like, they're really thick, like they're amazing, okay? The only thing that I didn't really like was most companies I've worked with clip-ins, they always send you extra clips just in case one breaks. But this company, however, did not send any extra clips. This is what I'm talking about right here. So most companies send extra clips like this. This is from a different company I've worked with, but this company did not send an extra clip. I just feel like they should, just in case one breaks, so that you're not just, you know, stranded. That's just my opinion, okay? I'm just saying. But I don't think there's anything negative about this hair. I just really like it. It does what it says it's gonna do, okay? It's gonna be like your fussy hair, and that is it. It's gonna be like your fussy hair. You don't have to worry about curling your natural hair to blend with it. You just wash your hair, blow dry it, and comb it onto this hair, and you're good to go. This is like, lazy girls, I got you. This is it. This is the hairstyle for you. And the installation takes like what, 10 minutes. 10 minutes is even too much, but let me just say 10 minutes, okay? So this hair is amazing. I would definitely recommend it. I'm going to have all the details in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. The link to where you can buy it will be there in the description box below. The length, the color, seriously sis, everything you need to know is going to be there in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video. Please like this video. This actually helped you. Like, if this video was actually helpful, just like it. Good thumbs up button, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a comment before you leave, and also subscribe to my channel. Watch out my other videos. Well, watch out my other videos. Watch my other videos because they're pretty nice. Like, I put out good content. I'm just saying. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.